Do you dread looking in the mirror every morning because of those stubborn pimples and dark spots that just refuse to leave your face? Hello and namaste everyone. I am Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, your Ayurvedic wellness expert. In this video, I am going to talk about acne, those annoying pimples and what you can do to get clear, glowing skin naturally. First, let's understand why this happens. Whether it appears as tiny, uninflamed blackheads or painful red, pus-filled bumps, acne is usually a result of overactive oil glands in our skin. When this excess oil mixes with dead skin cells and bacteria, it blocks our pores, leading to breakouts. But don't worry, nature has some powerful solutions. Coming to the point of remedies, the most trusted Indian solution is Fuller's Earth, or what we lovingly call Multani Mitti. Take 1.5 tablespoons of Multani Mitti in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder to it. Mix this well with 2 tablespoons of rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this pack to your face, let it dry completely and then wash it off with cold water. This works wonders because Multani Mitti has an excellent capacity to draw out impurities. It absorbs excess dirt and oil while evening out your skin tone. Next, if you want a simple solution using fruit, lemon is fantastic because of its astringent and antiseptic qualities. You can simply take a slice of fresh lemon and rub it gently on the affected area. Leave it for a few hours before rinsing with cold water. You can even mix some lime juice with rose water to wash your face. This helps release trapped oil and stops bacterial growth. Another important remedy utilizes orange peels, which are rich in vitamin C and act as a natural sunscreen. You can easily make this powder at home by drying fresh orange peels in the sun until they are hard and then grinding them. Take 2 tablespoons of this dry orange peel powder, mix it with water to form a thick paste and apply it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing with lukewarm water. This gives firmness to your skin and helps control oil. Moving on, we cannot forget the golden spice, turmeric. You can make a mask by mixing just a quarter teaspoon of turmeric with 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder and enough milk to make a paste. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory qualities that reduce swelling and, very importantly, it helps fade the scarring left behind by old acne. If you are looking for something that cleanses and moisturizes at the same time, try a honey and cinnamon mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Honey keeps the skin healthy, and when combined with cinnamon, it kills the bacteria that cause those inflamed pores. Finally, remember that treating acne is not just about what you put on your face, but how you treat your body. Make sure to clean your face twice to remove dirt buildup, eat healthy food, and drink a lot of water to flush out toxins. With a little patience and these natural habits, you can achieve the clear skin you desire. Stay beautiful and stay healthy. Namaste.